What's up, Red Brick people? It's a real short, quick video I'm going to produce. A story about unity by Red Brick Bob. So, with no further ado, we're going to go right to it, folks. Yeah, I got a red brick soul. Meltology. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little story about unity by Red Brick Bob. Here we go. Once upon a time, in a world not so different from our own, there existed a place known as the Land of Unity. In this extraordinary realm, people from all walks of life lived together harmoniously, bound by a deep sense of togetherness and understanding. In the Land of Unity, diversity was not just accepted, it was celebrated. People of various backgrounds, cultures, and beliefs coexisted peacefully, each contributing their unique perspectives to this tapestry of their society. The inhabitants of this land understood that their differences were not barriers but bridges that connected them to one another. The heart of the Land of Unity was a magnificent tree known as the Tree of Harmony. Legend had it that the tree's roots stretched deep into the earth, symbolizing the strong foundation of their unity. Its branches reached high into the sky, representing the limitless possibilities that came with their togetherness. Under its shade, the people of the land gathered regularly to discuss their differences, solve problems, and strengthen their bonds. However, the world outside the Land of Unity was not as fortunate. In the neighboring lands, people often focused on their differences rather than their similarities. Division and discord ruled, leading to conflicts, hatred, and suffering. The people in these lands lived isolated lives, suspicious of those who were not like them, and their societies suffered as a result. As word of the Land of Unity spread, many from neighboring lands journeyed there in search of a better way of life. They were welcomed with open arms and shown the path to harmony and unity. Initially, they embraced the new way of life, finding solace in the Land of Unity's principles. However, as time passed, some newcomers began to forget the lessons they had learned. They brought with them the seeds of discord from their old lives and planted them in the fertile soil of the Land of Unity. Slowly but surely, division and strife began to take root. The tree of harmony began to wither, its leaves drooping and its branches sagging. The people of the Land of Unity watched in sorrow as their cherished symbol of unity deteriorated before their eyes. One day, an old wise sage who had witnessed the Land of Unity's rise and fall gathered the people beneath the ailing tree. With tears in his eyes, he reminded them of the values that had brought them together in the first place: acceptance, understanding, and cooperation. He told them unity is not one-time achievement, but a continuous journey. We must tend to the roots of our unity by nurturing acceptance and understanding in our hearts. Only then can the tree of harmony thrive once more. The people of the Land of Unity heeded his words and set to work, not just in their society, but also in the hearts of those who had strayed from the path. Slowly but surely, the tree of harmony began to regain its strength. The Land of Unity became a beacon of hope for the neighboring lands, a shining example of how unity and understanding could transform the world. As more people embraced its principles, the world began to change, and the divisions that had plagued it for so long started to fade away. And so, the Land of Unity stood as a testament to the power of unity, a reminder that when people come together in harmony, they can overcome any obstacle and create a better world for all. Okay? That's what we need to do. We need to be that unity. The red brick people. We need to do that. Meltologists. We don't need discord. We don't need division. We don't need someone to be blocked, this, that. Today I encountered a soul that was blocked and his heart was broken because he's a meltologist, a baby meltologist, but he's there. And it just, anyways. So anyway, I wrote that as a result of that, and I also wrote a little poem. And here it goes. In the land of unity, hearts entwine, a tapestry of souls, diverse, divine. Beneath the tree of harmony's sway, together they stand, come what may. Neighbors once divided by walls found solace in its sheltered halls. A world outside torn by strife, yet here they nurtured a united life. But unity's flame, it can't be static. In each heart, it's an ongoing practice. The tree of harmony, it may sway and bend, but the love and care, it'll mend. For in unity's embrace, we find our worth. A harmony's world, a place of rebirth. A lesson from this tale, plain to see. Together we thrive in unity. We're free. So, here it is, Red Brick Bob. I love y'all. Sorry your heart was broken today, Bubba. I'm sure we're going to straighten that out somewhere down the line, and things are going to be looking a lot finer. Hey, I didn't mean that to go like that, but it did. So, there, straight from my heart and soul to you, Bubba, to unite all us and those who are coming. Red Brick people, like, share, and subscribe. We need more people on board to get this word out, to help get evidence. Our evidence, your neighborhood, our neighborhoods, all the lies that we've been told. We need you to help uncover them all, because it's everywhere. Meltology. Love your neighbor like you love yourself. And thanks the other day, Phil. If you need any help, hit me up in the email, and we'll work it out. And we can even do practice shit on StreamYard and so forth. And I'm willing to do that. And hey, because you got a lot of good shit in your area, and you're a homeboy from Michigan. So there it is. Peace, everybody. Rain down truth. Peace. Red bricks. Red bricks.